Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Wurkkos. Now I was sent this by them. They wanted me to test and review this light. This is their FC11. Comes in this box. So let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. Right offhand, we've got the user manual on top. Now, right offhand, this might not pick it up on camera. Hoping I can get it up there as close as I can. But as you can see, this puts out 1300 lumens on turbo. A lot of light coming out of there. And a nice thing that I like about this is you can choose stepping or ramping on the UI. That's really nice. We've got a set of O-rings here and a lanyard. We have a USB charging cable because this is USB rechargeable. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. Nice bubble wrap, not going to get damaged. Does have a clip on here, and that is really stiff. You can remove that if you don't want it on there. Man, that looks really sharp. Now I've done quite a few flashlight reviews for Wurkkos. I remember when they were a brand new company and promoted them on my channel because they do make quality lights. I was very impressed with them. I got a lot of heat for that, and just want to remind people I'm going to bring in new companies. If they send me a quality product, I'm going to feature it here on my channel, because I definitely want you guys to be able to take advantage of it and be able to get a light. These aren't expensive, so that's another reason why I do a lot of budget lights, and that bring them to you. Then you can learn about them. And in my Facebook group, I get a lot of people that say, you know what, I'm sorry, you were right, this light is very nice. They take the chance out to get it. They really enjoy it. Really a nice EDC, just perfect size, as you can see. Fits easily in the palm of your hand. Now I'm going to bring out a knife here, because another great thing about EDC carry, magnetic, really strong. Not seeing any issues. You can literally hold it on its side, no issues there. So it's very strong on this magnet. You could easily put it on your car if you're using it for maintenance purposes. Definitely great for emergencies as well. So I'm going to put this back away. Really like this grooves on the body. Looks really nice. Button does stick out past the body there. Just a little bit. Heat sinking there is pretty deep. Not very much. Oh, we got the charging port here. This is a Type C. So if you use a 3.0 or a 3.1 charger, you're going to rapidly charge this a lot faster than normal. Style and design on this is very nice. Again, you can table stand that if you need to. And the machining and finish on this is excellent. It's got a semi-gloss to that. Alright, so now let's go ahead, take a look here at the textured reflector. This is running the Samsung LH351D 5000K. It's going to be a CRI of 90. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take this completely apart, and I'm going to show you the battery. This is a complete kit. Got a little protection piece here. You want to remove that spring on the tail. And then we've got the head of the light here. Show that to you next. There's a little bit of grease here on the O-ring on both sides. There's the head of the light. Alright, we're going to put it all back together. And now I'll show you the battery here. Before we do that, we've got a 3000 milliamp 18650. This is a protected cell. Adds a lot of value to this light, especially for what you're going to pay for it. Really nice to be able to just take it out, charge it, put it back in the light, and you're ready to go. In this case, this is USB rechargeable, so you can leave it in there as well. I normally use a dedicated charger anyways, so that's really a big plus for people on the go. So now let's go ahead and go through the UI. Now the UI is pretty simple. We're just going to activate the light by clicking on that side switch. That is a battery level indicator. That will turn red and start to blink when your battery is critically low. So you definitely want to charge it or swap out another one. So we're going to go through those light outputs by just clicking on the side switch. That was the highest level there before turbo. We'll see that again. A lot of light. I'll go ahead and show you the beam here. You can see really nice large hotspot, a little more concentrated here, but you've got a good area here where it bleeds out before the spill, and the cutoff is actually pretty good, as you can see there on my hand. That looks really good. And then whenever you want turbo, you can simply double click. 1300 lumens. That's a lot of light coming out of this little EDC. And then if you want to click that again, it'll go back down and then go to the lowest light output. You can get to strobe. You can go ahead and triple click on that side switch, and that is a steady speed on the strobe, and that is pretty distracting. Click it one time, goes back to the last light output. This does have memory mode. So now we're back to the UI. So now we're going to go ahead and press and hold to turn that off. Now we're going to press and hold until you get that confirmation blink. Now when you go to turn on the light, you now can press and hold to ramp that up. Again, ramping it back down, and that is really smooth. It's actually a little bit quicker towards the bottom end of the light output, but not too bad. Then again, slowly ramp that up, and then of course you can double click on that to get the turbo. So that's pretty nice. Then again, you're right back down to the lowest light output. And that's all there is to this light. Easy to switch back and forth from stepping to ramping. Big plus in my opinion. It being magnetic, easy placement on metal objects, or if you're working on a car for emergency, great to have. A lot of light output, especially for something this small, really compact. Another big plus. And that color Kelvin on this is actually impressive. Alright, well, I'm tired of waiting. Let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Wurkkos FC11 little EDC light. Check it out, see how it does. Sporting the Samsung LED. And there it is on the lowest setting. I got it on the wrapping. That'll be easy to do a couple night shots here. There it is on the fence. So we're going to raise it up a little bit more now. See how it does. I'm going to do about right there. See how large that spill is for such a small little light. That's 38 feet from where I'm standing. Or excuse me, that's 35 feet from where I'm standing. 65 feet to this tree there, and it is making it. That's impressive. And not quite to that park yet. And it is making the tree of life, as you can see there. Nice large hotspot. Nice. Okay, we're going to go ahead and raise it up here a little bit. See how it does. Yeah, how wide that beam is. Not impressive. Very nice color temp. And it is making out to the park now there. Faintly, but it is making it. There it is on the tree again. 138 feet to the tree of life there. Alright, we're going to go to high on the tree of life. See how it does. And blinks there, let you know. Look at the spill. How wide that is. Pan around here a little bit. Making it across the park. There's a playground over there. We go tree line, fence line. Do a beam profile here before we go to turbo. Man, very nice performance on this beam. Do a before and after here. Alright, we're going to go to the tree of life, see how it does on turbo. Little jump there. Not a huge jump. All coming from this little light. Before and after here. That's really nice, especially for as small as this light is. Way out over the grass, look at that. Hold the light there, see there? Crazy. Amazing. Hope you enjoyed. those night shots. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Very nice performance, especially for EDC this size. Actually, it was very impressive. The light output here is actually pretty impressive. 1300 lumens is a lot of light. Now, of course, that's going to step down, but at 700 lumens, thereabout, that's still a lot of light, and you're going to continue to run on that battery until it needs to be recharged. And the fact that this is USB rechargeable Type C, so you're going to get faster charge times if you're using the correct 3.0 or 3.1 wall charger. This thing is going to charge up incredibly fast. Also, it being magnetic, so it's great for roadside emergencies, keeping this in your vehicle or around the house. Really small enough. The clip here is really stiff on here, so I feel confident that's going to be able to stay on your backpack or even on in your pocket, deep enough to carry it. Have that little bit sticking out, not bad at all, so you can easily grab it and pull it out. So a lot of uses that you can do with this. Build quality on this is very nice. Not seeing any issues. I have yet to see any issues from this company. Really am impressed. I'm glad that they chose me to review their products. Always have fun bringing out these new companies, helping them out, especially when they are a quality product. Now, I do get a ton of flashlights that the quality is not very good at all. It has to be at least good quality in order to make it on my channel. A lot of people, they trust in my reviews. I want to thank you guys for the support, and they end up buying it and they see it themselves, and then next thing you know, this becomes a regular brand. Another one I want to bring up is Sofern. Another one, they were really early on, years and years ago. I brought them out, got a lot of heat from them as well. Once they receive it and they test out, say, hey man, this is a really good quality flashlight that's easy on your budget. That's why I'm going to bring these to you more and more in the future, as I've always done. I bring budget lights all the way up to very expensive flashlights. I want you to know that I'm always going to be here to bring these products in the night shots, and that's what I'll continue to do, because I want this to be a channel to where you're going to find something, hey, I've never heard of this company before. Now, I want to thank Wurkkos for sending me this FC11 to review. Now remember, this is a complete kit. This is something you're interested in getting. I'll leave a link to their Amazon store down in the description area. That way you can get this. If you're a Prime member, you'll get it really quick. And again, I think you're going to be impressed as I am with it. And that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these budget lights from Wurkkos to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.